फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Hello and a very warm welcome to all our viewers. You're watching the Cricket Next YouTube channel, and we are here to discuss the 64th match of IPL 2024. This match was played between the Lucknow Super Giants and the Delhi Capitals, and Delhi Capitals have won this match by 19 runs. अब ये मैच सिर्फ लखनऊ या दिल्ली के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं था, ये मैच दो और टीम्स के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट था, खास करके आरसीबी के लिए. इट वाज आरसीबी और सीएसके, these two teams who are meant to face each other on Saturday, on this coming Saturday, and there are a very high chances that that match could be the virtual qualifier, virtual knockout match, जहाँ पे जो टीम जीतेगी वो क्वालिफाई करेगी प्लेऑफ्स के लिए. आरसीबी के लिए थोड़े एस्टेक्स होंगे कि कितने रन्स में और इतने ओवर्स में उनको हराना है सीएसके को, तभी क्वालिफाई करेंगे. बट दिस मैच वाज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हाई? बिकॉज लखनऊ सुपर जायंट्स was also on 12 points with the two matches that they had in their kitty. They could also very well reach to 16 points and qualify for the playoffs. But now with the fact that LSG has lost this match, वो सिर्फ 12 पॉइंट्स पे है. उनका आखिरी मैच मुंबई के खिलाफ है फ्राइडे को. अगर वो जीतते भी हैं तो they'll remain only on 14 points, और उनका नेट रन रेट बहुत खराब है, सीएसके और आरसीबी से भी काफी खराब है. तो देयर इज नो पॉइंट अब उनका to be, well, mathematically they are still alive in this season, but I guess it's very difficult for them to qualify. And I'll take you through the entire match, what all happened. Delhi Capitals came out to bat first. Fraser McGurk, the man in form in this IPL, couldn't do anything today. 0 of 2 balls. Abhishek Porel was the one who gave a great start to the home team. 58 of 33 balls. Shai Hope came, even though it wasn't a very quick innings, but उन्होंने भी थोड़ी पार्टनरशिप करी अभिषेक पुरेल के साथ. 38 of 27. Then captain Rishabh Pant came, 33 of 23. Akshar Patel 14 of 10. लेकिन Tristan Stubbs was the one who helped DC get a proper finish and reach to the score of 208 at the loss of 4 wickets in their 20 overs. Tristan Stubbs scored 57 of 25 balls, a quick fire innings. और जिस तरीके की फॉर्म में स्टब्स हैं इस आईपीएल में, he is really hitting well all over the park, and he's obviously a great find for South Africa in the middle order. And the way he batted today, डीसी एक टाइम पे डिसेंट टोटल की तरफ जा रहे थे डीसी, बट विद द फैक्ट दैट Tristan Stubbs scored 57 of 25 balls, it really helped DC to reach that 208 mark. And then after DC reached 208, it was the Lucknow Super Giants who came out to chase that score, and as you can see on your screen that they were not able to chase it. The opening combination again didn't work. Quinton de Kock, KL Rahul, captain KL Rahul, 5 of 3 balls. Quinton de Kock 12 of 8 balls. Usually in a start, which is, well, in a chase which is over 200 plus, you need a good start, you need a good base. But this opening combo obviously couldn't give that to the visiting team, that is the Lucknow Super Giants. Marcus Stoinis again, he played a brilliant innings in the IPL, 1 or 2 here and there, but even this match was a very important match for Lucknow. He failed to deliver. 5 of 7. Deepak Hooda again, he couldn't even open his account. 0 of 2 balls. Nicholas Puran was the highlight of this inning. 61 of 27 balls. He gave some kind of a hope in the middle order. Ayush Badoni then scored only 6 of 9. Kunal Pandey 18 of 18. A very slow innings, but it was Arshad Khan who kind of gave some hope to the visiting team, because they were down and out. They were really out. But it was Arshad Khan at the bottom of the batting lineup who came, जिन्होंने थर्ड लास्ट ओवर में शॉट्स काफी मारे और इक्वेशन को यहाँ ले आए कि 2 ओवर में लखनऊ नीडेड 29 runs with only 2 wickets in their hands. बस जिस पोजीशन में वो थे वहां से 2 ओवर में सिर्फ 29 runs with 8 wickets down. रवि बिश्नोई और अरशद खान बैटिंग कर रहे थे, and then obviously Ravi Bishnoi got run out. And what a throw by Jake Fraser McGurk. वो इतनी डीप से उन्होंने डायरेक्ट हिट की, and Ravi Bishnoi was nowhere close to his crease. उसके बाद नवीन उल हक आते हैं बैटिंग करने again. Couldn't do much. आखिरी विकेट रह गई थी, and even he couldn't do much as a bowler. अरशद खान के जो आखिरी कुछ शॉट्स थे वो कनेक्ट नहीं हुए बैट से, मिडल ऑफ द बैट, and he couldn't finish what he started. But he played a great innings of 58 of 33 balls not out. and DC won this match by 19 runs. Now, as you can see the scoreboard on your screen, KKR and Rajasthan, they have qualified. Obviously, there's a fight for the number 3 and number 4 spot, especially for the number 4 spot. CSK, RCB, there are a lot of names doing rounds, but with this loss of Lucknow Super Giants, I think CSK and RCB will be the happier sides today, and they would want to have that virtual knockout on Saturday and somehow win that game, especially for RCB to win that game with a certain margin and then qualify. They were at the bottom of the table. They have taken a rebirth in this season, sort of to fight and have a chance to make it into the playoffs. As of now, Lucknow 13 matches, 12 points. They are also more or less out of the tournament. DC with this win have kept themselves alive in this tournament, but then again, it's really tough for them to qualify. It is between CSK, SRH, and RCB more or less to make it to the number 3 and number 4 spot, and we'll have to wait and see what happens from here on. But आज की अगर देखा जाए तो DC, RCB, and CSK are the three will be the three rather happiest teams in this IPL with this victory by Delhi Capitals, and it has ignited some sort of a hope for CSK and RCB fans, especially the RCB fans. I am repeating this again and again because even the social media is filled with all the RCB and CSK fans who are celebrating Lucknow's defeat. Lucknow goes on to play Mumbai Indians on Friday this week, and Mumbai Indians 13 matches, only 4 wins. They'll be looking to end their season on a high with a win, and Lucknow will also be desperate to reach that 14 mark and somehow give themselves an outside chance. Rajasthan plays Punjab tomorrow. A very important match for Rajasthan because they would want to end their league stage. Even though they have qualified, they would want to end their league stage in the top 2 to give themselves a second chance to reach into the finals if they lose the first qualifier. So that becomes really important. Punjab again at the bottom of the table. They'll be looking to end their season with a high. They have 2 matches left and they would want to win both those matches. Liam Livingstone has went back home from Punjab's. Josh Butler has went back home from Rajasthan Royals. Big losses for both the teams, but we'll have to wait and see. As of now, Delhi Capitals, Royal Challengers Bangalore, and Chennai Super Kings are really. I'm hoping they'll be really happy with this victory by Delhi today. And we'll get to see much more interesting matches coming forward in the next few days, especially the Saturday game between RCB and CSK, which has all signs of becoming a virtual knockout. So you guys please subscribe to the Cricket Next YouTube channel, hit the bell icon, follow us across all our social media platforms. If you have any opinions, any statements, any questions, the comment section is open for you guys. कोई भी qualification scenario, कुछ भी आपको जानना है, क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट पे आपको सारी वीडियोस, सारी एक्सप्लेनेशंस, सारे सिनेरियोज मिलेंगे. फिर भी आपका और कोई सवाल है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर डालिए. वी विल हैप्पीली टेक दोस क्वेश्चंस. अंटिल देन प्लीज एंजॉय द आईपीएल एंड डू सब्सक्राइब टू द क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट यूट्यूब चैनल. गुड नाइट.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट.